Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice exponential problem, and here we have 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 1, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here I can rewrite the given term as, we will write 4 to the power of x as 2 to the power of 2 and its whole power x minus 2 to the power of x is equals to 1. And after that we will just interchange these two exponents, and we will rewrite this term as 2 to the power of x and its whole square minus 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. So now our next target is to convert this exponential equation into quadratic equation, so that I will take here y is equal to 2 to the power of x. So when we take y is equal to 2 to the power of x, so this exponential equation will becomes in polynomial form, and it will becomes y square minus y is equal to 1. And after that we move this 1 in the left hand side, so it will become y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And after that we will solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, and here you know that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. And our quadratic formula is y is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of ac square root over 2 times of a. And now we will substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, so that this will becomes y is equal to minus times of minus 1 plus minus minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is minus 1, and its square root over 2 times of a, and the value of a is 1. So after that we will simplify the terms, and here you have minus minus plus, so it will becomes plus 1 plus minus, the square of minus 1 is equal to plus 1, and this minus and minus is equal to plus and 4, and its whole square root over 2. And finally we will get here y is equal to 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. So that here we have two cases. The first case is we take y is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and the other case is we take y is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So I can write here y is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and y is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. After that we will substitute the value of y, and here you have the value of y is equal to 2 to the power of x, so we will substitute here, and it will become 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. So here you can focus on both of the sides. So this is exponential function and it is always positive, and this value gives the negative answer. So exponential function can never be negative, so this expression is not possible, so that we will reject it this case, and we just proceed here this case only. And in this case we will take the log on both of the sides, so that this expression will becomes log of 2 to the power of x is equal to log of 1 plus square root 5 over 2. And here we can apply the property of logarithm, so that this exponent will becomes in the front of this log, and we will write it as x times of log 2 is equal to, here you have uh, after applying the property of log, we will get here log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log of 2, and after that we will divide log 2 on both of the sides in this form, so that these log are cancelled out each other, and here we get x is equal to log of 1 plus square root 5 minus log 2 and its whole over log 2. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.